Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can mount this USB port here at your shifter on the right side of your PASSAT B6. So let's get to it. You'll receive a package like this, so our USB is inside this. There you go. The first thing you'll need is a T20 screwdriver. So what you need to do is open this up. Right here you'll have your ashtray. I just put it here because this is what you'll have. If you have the smoker's edition, you take the ashtray out, put it to the side, and here inside you'll have two T20 Torx screws. So just unscrew these, take them out. So here are the screws. We took them out, put them to the side. Now what you need to do is put the cables aside as well. You need to take off this trim piece as well so that we can access the underneath of the cigarette lighter and connect the cables. So now we need to take out this trim. I noticed that it comes here inside. Push it from here. You can take this out. It has two clamps, so you have to make sure that you don't break them. Here comes out easily as well. So you just take this out. You'll have this sponge. Carefully pull it out, don't want to break it. Okay, take this out. Now what you need to do is take this trim piece out as well. It will be set in place in 4 places: here, 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 and on the opposite side. So I suggest putting your hand underneath. So let me show you on this side. Put your hand underneath and pull it gently, but also with a bit of force till it comes out. So I managed to pull mine out, so from the top, and now the bottom comes right out. So as you can see, it has these clips here that keep it in place. What you need to do now is push this button out. So from underneath you can use your finger to like force it out, but not use force, like I think it's on one side. Yeah, here we go. Make sure you don't lose it because you might need it later. So yeah, this is the place we want to insert our USB. For this we need to disconnect our USB, push it here, and make sure you put it in the right direction. I think it's like this, right? Now it's in place. And now we need to remove this piece here as well. So when we remove the ashtray, we actually have to look for the cable here underneath that connects the cigarette lighter. So you push it here, disconnect it, put it to the side for a moment, right? And now we need to bring in our cable. So we have to connect this one to the lighter, and it only goes one way, so if it doesn't work, just go the other side. I managed to get it correctly for the first time. It's snapped into place. Now this goes to the ashtray, normal cigarette lighter. We can push it down there in the dash so that it's like before, because it was just a little bit of cable before there sticking out. So we can push this down there. And now we need to connect this to our USB. So what we need to do is we need to pull the cables down a little bit more. So I'm pulling from underneath the cables, and I will pull this cable that goes to the USB. I'm pulling it down so that it goes back through this shifter hole. So let's bring it down. It got stuck. Bring it down more. Make sure you don't lose you don't lose the other cable. Right. Now let's pull it down here through the shifter. So now it comes out through the shifter box, and now we plug it in here. Right. Now you can actually test it to see if it's running. You can turn on the car and see if it's running. But now it's time to plug in the cigarette lighter. So we take this plug and plug it here. Stays in place. Now put this back in. You can use the screws to put it back in there, but now let's concentrate on this bit. Let's put the trim piece back on. Let's make sure this cable doesn't go in the way too much. Some nice cable management has to go here as well. Right. So push it in place. It should snap into place exactly as it was. And this is your button here. Right, this is the old one. Now you need to put this sponge back in. So I have to use an extra light. Make sure I see better. So I have to gently push it in underneath this plastic hands. So that's good there. Now it looks good. Right. I think it has to be like this somehow. It's broken anyway, so yeah. So now we put the gear knob in from this side. Right, and now time to screw in the T20 screws back. So let's put these back in. And now the ashtray. I think it was like this, right? Now we can close it. And now voila, here's your USB cable. Now let's see how it works. Let's put the ignition on. And let's see if it charges my phone. So as you can see, it's fast charging, and let's see if the lighter is still working. So that phone is charging. So as you can see, this one is charging as well. So yeah, that's it. This is the USB, and you can use it to fast charge your phone. You can find the link in the video description from AliExpress, from which you can buy this. And if I turn the lights off and turn the car lights on, this also has a nice red accent to it, so like a red light, and it turns off obviously together with the lighter. So if you turn the car lights off, it goes off as well. So yeah, working good. As I said, the link is in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.